Today, we are dive deep on how to change your location if you're in a country where Facebook monetization is limited. 2. How to set up Facebook for making money online. 3. Monetization options once your location is eligible. Jimmy Godfrey. How to change your location and make money online on Facebook. A complete guide. In many countries, Facebook monetization features like in-stream ads, fan subscriptions, and bonuses are not available due to regional restrictions. But don't worry, this guide will show you how to change your Facebook location to an eligible country, like the United States, and then how to start making real money online using Facebook tools. Step 1. Understanding Facebook monetization eligibility. Before anything else, you should know what Facebook looks at when allowing monetization. Your location must be in a supported country, page quality and engagement, original content, follower count and video watch time for certain programs. If you're in a country that's not supported, the only way to unlock features like in-stream ads or stars is by making Facebook think you're in an eligible country, such as the United States. Step 2. Change your virtual location. Using a VPN. To change your location, you'll need a VPN, virtual private network. A VPN masks your real IP address and gives you a virtual one from another country. Recommended VPNs: ExpressVPN, NordVPN, Surfshark, Proton VPN. Free option. How to do it. 1. Install your VPN app. 2. Choose a US server or another supported country like Canada, UK, or Australia. 3. Turn the VPN on and connect. Your virtual location is now in the United States, even if you live elsewhere. Step 3. Create or edit a Facebook profile to page. Once the VPN is active. 1. Clear your Facebook app. Browser cache so it doesn't detect your old location. 2. Open Facebook and either create a new account or change the location of an existing account or page. To change your location, go to your profile. Click on Edit Details or About under current city. Choose a city in the US, e.g. New York, Los Angeles. Save changes. This tells Facebook you're in an eligible country. Step 4. Set up your page for monetization. If you haven't already, you'll need a Facebook page, not just a profile. Here's how. 1. Go to facebook.com, shop, pages, shop, create. 2. Choose a public figure, video creator, or business page. 3. Fill out the details and add a profile cover photo. 4. Start posting original content, especially video content. Step 5. Apply for monetization features. Go to the Meta Creator Studio to check if you're eligible. Visit https://business.facebook.com, Creator Studio. Click on Monetization Policy Eligibility. You'll see which features, in-stream ads, stars, bonuses, etc., are available to you. Monetization options on Facebook. Once your account qualifies, here are the ways you can earn. 1. In-stream ads. Get paid for ad breaks in your videos. Requirements: 10,000 followers plus 600,000 watch minutes in the past 60 days. 2. Stars. Viewers buy stars and send them during live streams. You earn money for each star received. 3. Reels. Bonuses. Facebook may invite you to the Reels Play bonus program. Create short-form videos, Reels, to earn rewards based on performance. 4. Fan subscriptions. Followers pay a monthly fee to subscribe for exclusive content. Facebook takes a small cut. 5. Affiliate marketing or product selling. Post affiliate links or sell physical products through Facebook groups, pages, or live videos. Tips for success. Post consistently. Daily or weekly content keeps your page active. Focus on video content. Facebook prioritizes videos for monetization. Avoid copyright violations. Use only original or licensed music and videos. Engage with your audience. Comments, shares, and live interactions help boost reach. Important note: using a VPN and changing your location doesn't guarantee instant access to monetization. Facebook uses multiple signals, including IP, activity, content type, and device, to verify authenticity. Always keep your content legit and consistent. Conclusion. Even if you're located in a country where Facebook monetization isn't available, there's a path to eligibility by using a VPN, updating your profile settings, and creating quality content that meets Facebook's standards. With persistence, strategy, and the right tools, you can turn Facebook into a profitable income stream.